Are you using social media to market your business? If not, is it because it's so time consuming and you don't know what to post and you have so many other things that you're doing? Well, today I want to show you how to use a simple AI program that will allow you to create content for up to 30 days. That's right, I said up to 30 days, and it will help you to create social media content that is pretty much hands off, and that's something that I like. I'm Michelle with Mind Your Business Incorporated, and I really want you to travel more, work less, and increase your income using AI. I want you to reach people, and I want you to be able to have less stress in your life, and AI can help you do that. Now, it's not going to do everything for you, but it is a wonderful tool to help you to be able to get things accomplished. So let's look at my marquee. My marquee says 30 days of content in 5 minutes. And let's hop over to my account so I can show you a little bit more. So before I actually pull up that page, I want you to understand that my marquee, or Marquee as it's called, is a social media marketing platform, and it really does help you to generate images and content that will drive engagement with your audience. Your key features are going to be that it auto generates content, it helps you to auto post any of your content with just simple clicks. You're able to go across multiple platforms. You can customize any of your text or any of the pictures that are there. It is a collaborative workspace where you can have team members and you can assign different permissions to them, and it gives you analytics. If you want to see how you're doing and what has happened, it allows you to do that. So I am in my dashboard, and as you know, my motto is travel more, work less, and increase income, because that's what I want you to do. So here it shows you, when you post, how often you post, if you've been consistent, and gives you analytics. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I have not posted with this in a while, but it is one of my favorite AI programs. And what it does is it shows you the posts that you recently had, and it gives you links to be able to get further assistance. Plus, they have a features request, which I like. So, in my dashboard here, now I am an agency member, which means that this is something that I help my clients with. I help them to be able to create and post content regularly. So let's go to posts. Right now, there are no posts. Okay, so I can do one of two things. I can go to new post and create a post here, or I can have it generate a post for me. So when you just click generate post, it's just going to give you a list of different posts. As you can see, you can upload your own photo at any time and you can edit. Now, my computer runs really slow when I have too many things open, and that's one reason why I'm never on camera. Not because I don't want to be on camera, but because it will close out the app or it will shut me down or something like that. So I'm going to pause this video while it opens up the document. I am back and the posts have been generated for me. And as I scroll down, I'm going to go to one that I like. Now, you're seeing blank spots. That really doesn't have to do with Marquee. It could be something's going on with my computer. But let's scroll all the way down because I saw one that I liked, and it's here. It says, "Your best ideas are waiting on the water." So if I were going to schedule this, I would click for custom time, and it will ask me the day and the time I would like to post it. So let's say Saturday at 9 o'clock a.m. I'm not going to post this now. I'm going to go ahead and cancel this out. But this is how it works. It has all of your posts by just clicking generate, and from the post that you generate, you can schedule it to go out any time that you want it to. So now, Markey is not sponsoring this video, but I am an affiliate, and I will put my link below just in case you'd like to try it out. As I said, it's really simple. Once you're in there, you tell it to generate posts, and it will generate posts for 7 to 8 days, and you would choose what you want. So let's say you like this, but you didn't really care for everything that it says. So let's show more. Cruise retreats aren't just vacations, they're floating incubators for transformation where, and then it goes on. But what if I didn't want all of that? I could easily click the edit the post button, and I can change the text anywhere over here. Let's say I didn't like the picture. I could go back on the other side and I can change the picture. It's very simple to do and allows you to set up for up to 30 days depending on the plan that you are using. My Markey is a great AI program. As I said, you click a button, it will generate your post. You can either let them go as they are, or you can go ahead and click the edit button as I've showed you, and you can edit the content, the photos, everything that you'd like by simply clicking. And then you can schedule it to go whenever you want. So thank you for watching. You know, God bless you, God keep you is my prayer. And I just hit the schedule button, but I can go back and click on the schedule and tell it to take it out of the queue. And it's back to the drafts. So it's not hard to do, and I think that you would really like it. It will make life so much simpler for you if you can do everything in bulk and then click a button and it goes out to the date and the time and the place that you want it to go out to. So it really does save you time by automating things. It boosts your engagement because you're able to be seen, and that information is going out regularly at the time and the date that you want it to. And by that, it's going to help you to grow your business. It's easy to use. It has options that allow you to customize it, and it has worked. One of the things that I really like is that it saves me time. So if you're ready to get started, click the link in the description. And if you like this video or you want more information on AI programs that are easy to use, please like or subscribe and comment below so that I can get those videos to you.